Hello guys, so in today's video, I'm going to show you how to crop images into shapes. This is a simple way to make your designs feel more polished, whether you're creating a presentation, a social post, or a header image. For Shopify store owners, this is especially useful for things like featured product sections, testimonial graphics, collection highlights, or branded visuals across your store and marketing. We'll go step by step, and by the end, you'll know exactly how to turn any photo into a clean, shaped cutout. Start by opening your project. Give it a moment to load so everything is responsive, especially if your design includes multiple images or pages. Once your canvas is ready, click on the image you want to crop. You should see it become active with a highlight or selection outline, which confirms you're editing the correct element. With the image selected, click Edit. This opens a side panel on the left, which is where we'll find the tools we need. In the side panel, look for the Apps section. Within Apps, find the Shape Cropper. Canva organizes a lot of powerful tools here, so knowing where to look saves time as you work. Go ahead and click it. This brings up a library of preset shapes you can use to frame your image. You'll typically see popular options right away like circles, rounded rectangles, stars, and more. These are great for profile photos, icons, or callouts. If you want a wider range, click See All to browse the full collection. This is especially helpful if you're aiming for something specific, like a badge, a geometric look, or a more decorative silhouette that matches your brand style. Choose a shape that fits the mood and layout of your design, then click it. A preview will appear so you can position your photo inside that shape before applying it. Click and drag on the preview to adjust the position of your image within the shape. Take your time here. Center important details, avoid cutting off faces or key elements, and leave a bit of breathing room near the edges so the shape doesn't feel cramped. Small adjustments here can make a big difference in how professional the final result looks. If your image has a strong subject, try aligning it along visual thirds to create a balanced composition. This is a simple design principle that helps your images feel more intentional and visually pleasing. When you're happy with how it looks, click Add to Design. Your shaped image will be placed back onto your canvas, ready to move, layer, or pair with text, backgrounds, or other design elements. If you want to try a different shape, you can repeat the process with the original photo, or duplicate the shaped result and experiment with alternatives. This is a great way to test what works best before committing. A quick tip: keep consistency in mind. Using the same shape style across multiple images can make a layout feel cohesive and branded, while mixing a few complementary shapes can add variety without clutter, especially in social posts or multi-image sections. And that's it! You've opened your project, selected your image, used the shape cropper from the app section, explored more options with See All, positioned your photo precisely in the preview, and added the result to your design. Now you're ready to create clean, eye-catching compositions using shaped crops that look polished, intentional, and ready to use across your Shopify store and marketing materials.